day. Today we review the anime Children Who Chase Lost Voices of the Deep. Children Who Chase Lost Voices of the Deep is an anime about a Japanese girl whose father died when she was about 3 and is living with her mother who she barely sees. With her cat Mimi and her new teacher, who is a bit messed up due to his wife leaving him 10 years ago, they start searching for the underworld. On their journey, they are both challenged and helped by their locals, and they lose loved ones. Also, the girl Asuna Watase finds out the meaning of why she is really in the underworld. This movie is in the drama category and is probably based for teens and adults because infants wouldn't understand the entire story. I highly recommend this movie. It is moving and has lightened my soul. What's also really cool is that they meet Death himself, who is basically the god of both life and death.
The turbine is a piece of equipment that is famous on the west coast, South Island and New Zealand, because it is powered by rain. There is a lot of it on the west coast. It is efficient and returns all water to the wild like it has never gone through the process. The turbine is not an original idea. The turbine is similar to a watermill-like design, except nowadays they may make it more high-tech. The water turbine works like this. There is a basin carved high up in the mountain that fills up with water that has a creek that goes into the river that goes into the sea. There is a pipe that takes some of the water and has a vertical 400-meter drop at the top of the mountain to the bottom. This drop creates pressure and it goes into a concrete shed that has a water turbine in it. The pressured water goes through the turbine, which makes it spin around and around at 1,000 kilometers per hour. You can't see it properly because it's all a blur and it goes so fast it creates electricity. Then the water goes back in the creek like nothing happened. Cat fact from around the world. Cats hate lemons.